Hi guys, Coach RJ here and welcome to our new edition in RJ's Math and Science Workshop where we learn as one and we learn it fun. So, kumusta kayo lahat dyan guys? So, I think malakas-takas tayo ngayon ha? And we will continue our topic in our integral calculus session. And do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, click the bell button, like and share it to the others. And let's help one another to this pandemic, okay? So, stay tuned and have a great day. So for a lesson in this session, we will talk about basic rules, yapon siya, basic rules of integration. But this time we will talk about some rules involving exponential functions and some rules of integration yielding logarithmic functions. When we say yielding, resulting siya sa integral result ang kanyang integral is ang answer is logarithmic functions, and we will just focus here the natural logarithms and natural exponential functions, pero we will include the basic, yung exponential function talaga, yung base niya is hindi e, okay? So stay tuned tayo dito guys. So do not forget to subscribe and i-share to sa friends. Okay? So let's start na. So to continue the counting for the basic rules of integration, di ba na-stop tayo sa 4. So we will just include 5, 6, and 7. Still the same assumptions that let u is another function of x and v is another function of x. Okay? So, let us say the integration of a raised to u with respect to u is just equal to a raised to u over ln of a plus c. For the next rule, the integration of e raised to u with respect to u is just equal to e raised to u plus c. Diba when you recall differential calculus, this is also familiar to you, that the differential or the derivative of the function e raised to u is just equal to e raised to u lang. Where in fact, ito yung na-prove na natin siya sa differential calculus, as you know, na hindi talaga mag-change yung yung form ng function niya, provided na mag-add lang tayo ng constant. So, it has some sorts of similarities. Okay? And for the last one, the integration of, let's say, u raised to n. Or, ganito na lang. du over u is equal to ln of u plus c, provided that your n or the exponent of the function is equal to -1. So dito na papasok yung yung explanation sa last video natin dun sa rule number 4 na power rule, in which diba in-exclude natin yung -1 kasi kung ilalagay natin yung -1 dun sa rule natin, magiging undefined. So meron siyang another formula na kung saan magagamit natin yung -1, in which the resulting function is a logarithm or the logarithmic function. Okay? So, ito lang. Magsosolve lang tayo ng ilang problems. Then, I will give you a quiz for you to practice. Okay? So, the first example is the integration of quantity 1 minus 2x squared all over x dx. Okay? So, first things first, again, we will expand this function. So, this becomes the integral of 1 minus 4x plus 2x squared. 4x squared. 4x squared. Paano nga pag-expand? Square of binomial. Then you follow lang the square of the first term, then twice the product of the first term and the last term, then the square of the last term. So, ganun lang pag-expand. all over x. Okay? So, ganyan na. Next is we apply the rule of algebra in which yung sa fractions. We can do this as the integration of 1 over x dx minus the integration of 4x dx over x plus the integration of 4x squared dx over x. Pwede yan siya. Diba? Napansin natin, nadi-divide na natin siya, diba? Into 3 separate functions. So, with this case, pwede kong gawing ito na function by this one. Integration of dx over x. Then, I can cancel this one. So, this becomes, and ilabas na lang natin itong 4 by the rule number 3 sa past video. So, this becomes 4, the integration of dx plus, cancel again. So, this becomes 4, the integration of x dx. So, now we can use now the rule for yung mga rules na na-discuss natin earlier. So, dx over x is just equal to ln of x plus c sub 1 minus, for this one, the integral of this one is 4x. And the integral of this one is 2x squared. Or sige na lang, ito na muna i-shortcut para mas maintindihan niyo. This becomes 4 times x squared over 2. Hindi ko na lagay yung c sub, lagay ko muna yung c sub 2 para maintindihan ninyo. So, c sub 2 plus 4 times x squared over 2 plus c sub 3. Okay? So, this cancels. This becomes 2. Okay? Then, I erase this one. Lahat ng c, add c lang pa rin ang result. So, this becomes ln of x minus 4x plus 2x squared plus c. Okay? So, this can be your final answer. Okay? So, that's for the first rule. Or first number. First example, rather. So, guys, huwag nyo kalimutang i-subscribe yung channel. Then, support the others, guys. Laban tayo. Okay? So, for number 2, we have the integration of medyo nawala ng ink, sorry. So, 10x minus 25 all over x squared minus 5x plus 3 dx. So, when we scrutinize this number or this example, mapapansin natin, mahirap siya. Diba? Kasi rational, then it involves quadratic, kasi quadratic hindi mabafactor. So, with this case, we will use a substitution rule para mas madali siya yan. So, we say, let u is equal to, mas madali kasi yung ilalet u mo dito, yung dapat yung complicated. Kasi kung kukunin natin yung differential ng u, mas madali na siya, di ba? So, let us say ganito. Ito yung pinakamahirap compared sa taas. So, ito yung u natin. So, let u be equal to x squared minus 5x plus 3. So, the purpose of this u substitution is to simplify the problem para mas daliin natin siya ma-solve. So, u is equal to x squared minus 5x plus 3. Get the differential of u. So, this becomes du is equal to 2x minus 5 dx. Okay? So, kung mapapansin natin dito, can we arrive to x minus 5 here? So, pwede. Kasi, ipa-factor out natin yung 5 dito later on. Cut this one out. So, the integration of the factor of this one is 5. So, the common factor. So, the common factor of these terms is 5. So, divide natin yung 5. This becomes 2x minus 5 dx all over x squared minus 5x plus 3. And as you can see, this term can be this term. So, isa-substitute lang natin siya. So the integration of 5 du all over, take note, this is your u. So du over u. So na-change na natin yung ating function in terms of u. Pero later on, ibabalik lang natin si u para maging respect to x siya. Okay? So this becomes 5 integration of du over u. And continue ko lang dito ha. And the integration of this one is 5 ln of, what is u? X squared minus 5x plus 3. And there is no other term. So, c na lang ating lalagay. So, this is your final answer. 5 ln of x squared minus 5x plus 3. Or you can also transform this one into ln of 1 x squared minus 5x plus 3 raised to 5. Bakit? Laws of logarithms. Okay? So, if you have questions guys to the discussion, ano lang ha, comment lang kayo dyan, then ask nyo lang. Okay, and let's go for the last example. Last example. Okay. So, for the last example, you have this one. Ito. The integration of 4 raised to 3x dx. Yan. Napakadali lang, no? So, obviously, this will follow the first rule na introduce ko kanina. So, this becomes 4 raised to 3x or yung, yung a raised to u du. So, ganito lang yan siya. Mas madali kung let u tayo. Let u is equal to 3x, then du is equal to 3 dx. And walang 3 dx dito. So, we will just get dx. So, ang gagawin ko dito is i-divide ko ng lahat ng terms dito by 3 so that I can get dx na lang. So, 1/3 du is equal to dx. So, to get the integral of this one, this becomes 4 raised to u, and dx can be substituted by 1/3 du. Since this is a constant, ilalabas natin. So, this becomes 1/3 integral of 4 raised to u du. And the final answer to this one will be 1/3. And the integral of this one is 4 raised to, what is your u? 3x over ln of a is 4. So, therefore, 1/3 quantity of 4 raised to 3x all over ln of 4 plus c. Some teachers, hindi pa doon simplify. Sige, simplify natin. This becomes 4 raised to 3x all over 3 ln of 4 plus c. Then it is equal to 4 raised to 3x. Kasi ito to siya Again, yun, introduce ko laws of logarithms. You can use ln of 12 here. Ln of 4 raised to 3. Or ln of 64, pwede yan siya. Okay? So, ln of 64 plus c. So, it can be either of the two. It's the final answer. Okay? So, guys, thank you so much for listening here. And do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell button. Then share it to your friends who is currently taking the Integral Calculus course. And then prepare for the quiz or the practice test so that you could able to practice the rules that we have discussed today. Okay? So, thank you so much for listening my discussion for this day. And do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, click the bell button, share it to your friends, and shout out nga pala kay Mr. EJ Abansado, Miss Anne-Marie Dumagan, and Miss Junie Narido. They're still taking BS Chemical Engineering in Ateneo de Davao University. And stay safe kayo dyan, guys. Have a great day. And God bless you always. And for everyone that's watching, thank you so much. Have a great day and see you for the next videos.